Wealth, ika nga. Dapat alam mo ng masustansyang pagkain ay mabuti sa iyong kalusugan. Since 2007, Sante continuously fulfills its mission of helping people live better lives. It consistently provides high-quality barley-based products and services here and around the globe. Alam mo ba na ang barley grass na gamit ng Sante products are sourced from New Zealand? Ang Sante ay BioGrow certified, kaya makakasiguro kang 100% pure and organic ang barley mula dito. Barley grass contains vitamins and minerals. Sante offers a variety of barley products that suit your lifestyle, from nutraceuticals, beverages, personal and oral care. Sante is present in 10 countries and continuously expands to serve the needs of our growing consumer globally. Sante also offers business opportunities for individuals looking for extra income or seeking a new business venture. Staying true to its mission to help people live better lives, Sante believes in empowering its business owners through the Sante Partnership Program. Sante will help you jumpstart your own business. By partnering with Sante, you're assured that your business partner is a stable company with products for health and wellness. Kaya if you think barley, dapat alam mo, Sante. Let's live more, do more. Mahalagang paalala, ang Sante Barley ay hindi gamot at di dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.